Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Onyebuchinwa Ashibrobi, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer. Biko, buketo oche bịa gee ntị nke na-eme na nke ikpetemazụ a. Harrison is still trending, and the nwaanyị mkpụrụ mmiri nke unu na-akpọ Lolo Nnanwuru Chimezie. There is a video of her somebody sent today. I want you to also listen why she ran away from internet to treat BP. Ogariga ga BP. Maka the exposition and the boalia not bala the too much. So they promise her na echere na ka ejide some people. Ka ejide some people. Now, all of you know, just before we go to prayer, I have to lay this foundation. All of you know that Harrison Gwamnishu have gone and is involved in tracking kidnappers all over the zoo called Nigeria, especially within the Biafra territory. If you hire him, he track the criminals for you and he cut them. Most of them are being neutralized. So, Ikensi Uruagu have come to tell somebody active working something. The other day it was Udele telling him, oh, Harrison, Ikensi Uruagu. Saying, oh, Harrison do not understand that the people, Biafra agitators, are very, very sophisticated in their own kidnapping network. Leno Nyoshi. Leno Nye zuru ego mmadụ from Mozambique na-achọ ndohi. Leno Nye ji ike akpa ego onye oshi. I have told you people now Harrison abịaghị pawn sign into their gari because they lie to people and they stop money from you people. They are in for this very business. The other time, English Alaji exposed somebody in the north on a campaign for house of rape. The man was caught in kidnapping. Umuri frate na who they are in all how Jindi Fulani. You can, if Udele can tell you that he associates with Fulani people, he knows them. He goes to their village and they rear cows for him. He can equally hire them for this criminal activity. Check them. Whenever you expose Fulani, they come after you. When we return from this prayer, Kamporo na address Udele biarabia me Harrison Gwamnishu. See, not as if all the kidnapping, 99.9% happening within the Biafra territory are Biafra agitators. Hanagwa Harrison, the active in the thing. And Udele made a comment that he doesn't want to be talking about Fulani, that his area of profession were Biafra agitators. I have told you people that Udele, any day Udele talk about Fulani kidnapping or Yefu in that zoo, he will disappear. Because the people that sent him to do the work, when a contract criminalize the Biafra agitator. Because we don't want to identify with Islam. Chinasa Nworu the other day came to preach to you people Islam. Now Christian country rejected us. Jewish nation that we claim rejected us. No, the religion I hate. Vundine ma accept. No, ndinye na I cable. No, na hokwana me shishi. Una hona no lendi Muslim she we like I we ne kidnap na ebu. Before Eastern Security Network came, did you people remember how they used to dapo umunwanya I rape them and then falai ho ishinike? Do you remember? Before the forming of Eastern Security Network, you know, those of you forget things easily. Before the forming of Eastern Security Network, do you remember the wave? It happened very well, which made Mazi Kanu out of necessity launch Eastern Security Network. Talking about Eastern Security Network, when we return, Lolo Ndaburu na agwunu, oh, Mazi Kanu is a criminal, this and that. Obiakwa na onwekwere video nke o mere. So na Mazi Kanu collect salute na oya ka eji wee chove. Man, this man bụ onye form security he liked the security. Can the security salute them? I like the security, but you hate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ara na apụ ya ka anyị gaa n'ekpere. Anyị bata n'ekpere nga kpọrọ ụnụ nwaanyị mkpụrụ mmiri before nga to Ikensi Uruagu place.
Ezi onye nwe anyị na Chineke nna nke pụrụ m ihe niile, Chukwu okike abịa ma bụ onye anyị na-efe na-agọzi aha nsọ ya, onye ọ bụla ya na-achị, onye mmụọ na mmadụ na-erubere isi, onye ọ bụla ya bụ ọkaka. Ụbọchị ene ka anyị na-etuga eze ebube dị ngọzi, mmalite na ọgwụgwụ. Ndị gboo wee tụọ oge ebighị ebi, onye nwe m, ụmụ gị wee gbakọọ n'ụwa niile iwe nara ozi ọma nke gị onwe gị n'ezi ha site n'ọnụ mmadụ dị ndụ na nke ebere dị ngọzi. Anyị wee na-asị na onweghị ihe ọbụla nke anyị onwe anyị bụ n'ihi na ọ bụ anụkpa ahụ sọsọ ka mmadụ dị ndụ bụ. Ofu ụbọchị anyị ga-anwụ, maka na okwu nsọ gị na-adịrị ma ruo mgbe ebighị ebi, n'ihi na okwu gị niile ga-abịarịrị na mmezu. Ọbịa mere Biafra ga-eji wee bịa na mgbe nke anyị. Anyị wee na-akpọkụ wee na-arịọ gị na-asị, lekwa ude nke anyị na-asụ n'akwa nke anyị na-ebe ka o metụta gị n'obi. Onye nwe m na Chineke nna nke igwe, biko dịka isi wee napụta ụmụ gị n'ọbụ n'Ijipt bụ otu ọgbọ wezuga ụmụ gị bụ ndị Biafra obodo ekwensu bụ zuu nke mmadụ dị ndụ kere. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma, na-asị gị n'ime ọnọdụ anyị na anyị ga-ekele ha nsọ gị, wee nye gị nsọpụrụ ụtọ na ịja mma mgbe niile, n'ihi na anyị enweghị chi ọzọ ewezuga gị. Anyị onwe anyị anaghị efe arụsị. Ọbịa mere iji wee na-agọzi nsọmụkwụ anyị niile. Ọbịa mere IPOB ji wee gbaa mgbọrọgwụ n'ụwa niile. Anyị anaghị atụ egwu mmadụ dị ndụ. Anyị wee na-eto gị eze ebube dị ngọzi, sị gị biko gbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka. Ọ bụ naanị gị bụ onye anyị refe nwanyị akpụ isi ala nye ka i wee napụta ndị gị n'ọbụ nke ekwensu. Anyị wee na-enye gị ofe na nsọpụrụ na ịja mma, na-asị lekwa ka ndị iro anyị niile ka kasị wee baa ha ọnụ, ha wee daa hapụghị ikonye ọzọ. Obodo ekwensu bụ zu ala ọkwa n'ihi eze ebube dị ngọzi. Anya ọnwa anyị bụ ụmụ gị wee na-akpọkọ ha nsọ gị, na-asị na enweghị chi ọzọ ewezuga gị. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma, wee na-eto gị, na-asị onye kere ihe niile kere eke mana onye kere na otuto niile na nsọpụrụ niile na ịja mma niile site n'ebighị ebi mara ebi ka a na-arịọ gị. Ise
Operation Python dance. Okunu ihe mere youth anyị Operation Python dance. Ya ga constitute BSS. N'obe na ete salute. Ọkụ ya kpụrụ ndị amị ka ha wo. Maka ọtụtụ n'ime na-amakwa ihe kpụga ndị amị pen ndị ka ya ma na-ekwu why ka ha jiri chọje. Ka ngwazi ụnụ why eji chọje bịa. Na onye Grand Rebel ka na-aga court bịa constitute a military of his own take ya salute. Mgbe họ ya o so na that reason. Ịchọrọ ime gọọmenti overthrow.
Gwara m unu na nwaanyị a bụ Nigerian agent. Unu na-anụ nwaanyị unu na-ege ntị na ihe eji wee ogabe Mazi Nnamdi Kanu were constitute BSS. What is the work of the BSS? To fish the terrorists that are kidnapping our women as at then out of our bush. Nnekwu Chimezi, ọ bụ na ịhụzi na a na-adakpo ụmụ nwaanyị anyị n'afọ onye ha isi n'ike? Ọ bụ na ịhụzi ya? And all the mma. So onye ọbụla constitute security, he did not call them military. He called them BSS security. And they saluted Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So is that now a crime? Asari Dokubo onye mmadụ ole egburu Asari? Mmadụ ole egburu Asari? When Asari was even in court, ọ na-agwa ndị court na military ya nọ na-arụ ọrụ. So why is it that they did not buy him? Mmadụ ole egburu ya? Is he not the person using private security now? So the reason for trying to buy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu kpọrọ ndị security or collect salute, did he call them military? Even if he calls them military, he is an agitator. It is his right. If in democracy, it is his right. So does it invite the military? Do you see any gun there? Do you see any weapon there? Were they using gun? Then the BSS. Ọkwa ka unu na-ahụ nwaanyị mkpụrụ mmiri, onye a ka unu na-asụ m na Uchechi ama ihe ọ na-eme. Uchechi is the leader of the gang na-akụrụ dia party. Uchechi, the ck-Nneakwuna. In case if you don't know, all these games ha na-agba Uchechi, the ck-Nneakwuna. And I want our own people to see through it. Uchechi is the main culprit. What they want to do is to break the wing of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for him to say, I no do again. Then they will return to Sokoto and said, we did it, and collect their remaining balance. Man, ha kụrụ aka na tipa bụ aja. Ha kụrụ aka na tipa bụ aja. We are here anyway. We will keep on speaking the truth. We will keep on telling you people the truth. It doesn't matter what they do. Without fear nor favor, we have come against our enemies to expose them. Then, he is now telling you that the Nigerian government is not to be blamed in Operation Python Dance. He is now blaming Mazi Kanu for Nigerian government to come into his house and buy his people. He's blaming Mazi Kanu na ọkpọtara Operation Python Dance. Nwaanyị abụ nwaanyị na-eme ọ na-akọ akụkọ unu na-ege ntị. Then he is now blaming Mazi Kanu inside prison for bringing Nigerian army to buy Eastern Security Network, according to him in Enugu, because they call them terrorists. According to her. And there is no Eastern Security Network under Chinas and Wuru them. They are not IPOB and they are not working for IPOB. They lead IPOB Nigeria. There is one of their organization called IPOB Nigerian Limited. If you put IPOB, call it Nigerian Limited. That is the right thing to say. Chinas and Wuru lead IPOB Nigerian Limited. And this woman blamed Mazi Kanu that the Nigerian military by Eastern Security Network. She blamed Mazi Kanu for it. That there is Python dance to buy Mazi Kanu. She blamed Mazi Kanu for it. Ọkwa nwaanyị unu na-ege ntị. M na-agwa unu na onye abụ agent of Nigeria. Unu nọ n'ebe a na-akọ. Ọ ka mma na unu na-ege ya ntị. Na-aghọtakwa maka atọpụ nkụta akọrọ egoshi ya ka ọ hapụ ịdị ka atọrọ ya arụ. There are a lot of people who believe in this useless woman that maybe somehow that she has something to offer. She has nothing to offer, please. She is of Sokoto Caliphate. Ka ị na-ege ya ntị, ka ị gecha ya ntị, bazie na the main program butere anyị.
Ọ ya ka ndị amị ji gaa be ha. Ọ ma na ihe ọ planụrụ. Ọ ma na ndị amị be ebe ha ga-agba egbe. Ọ mata ha ihe ọ mata wụkwọ ụgwa hụ na-abịa agba egbe. O wee pụrụ wezie na ha ekwechighị ịbịa. Mana nye ndị eke gaga constitute to a military. Take your salute. What was he thinking? And then, ebe ya wo ni shaya, agha adazie, ebe ka ọnọdụ mgbe agbagbuji 29 people. O shiri agha apụbe ha, ọ tụrụ ọnụ ka o fere efe ka ọ mara window. So ọ macha na ọ ga-agba ọsọ. Why not? Ọ macha na ọ nwere ike ịgbapụ n'obodo a ga-ejide. Why not onye Jos mgbe ọ nọ na ndị amị na-abịa bịa, ihe abụla gara ma save lives. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu can give anything inweta ihe ọ chọrọ, including lives. Ọ chọrọ ịma.
Nwaanyị ọnụ ya na typewriter. Simple na ebidoro mebe ya expose ya agbalaga under 24 hours na olu ya change entirely under 24 hours na people begin to expose her even in WhatsApp, even on social media. Ogbo also for 7 days. She says she's running away for 7 days. But this very woman, this idiot no eba, obukwa ọsọ ka ọ na-agba, ọ na-echeji location. Ọ na-echeji location, fear of igbu ya. Ọ na-echeji location, ọ na-akwagharị ibu. Ọ gwakwara unu na na-relocate she with her family. Ọ gwa ha unu ya ọkwa ya here on this very platform ya na-anụ ihe a na-ezo ezo. She is relocating her property and her family. That is the reason why o ji wee nye gị 7 days. Because a gwara ya ma ọsịsọ na they might buy her in ege. So she is relocating. Very soon, no, ọ kwapụcha ibu ya, she will continue again. Before then, we will continue exposing her. Also, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu took a salute. That is the reason why no one may invite the security. Taking a salute in Nigeria, are you taking a salute from Nigerian army or which army? The woman condemning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for taking a salute from DSS security, with the same person asking, oh, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wants to scatter Eastern Security Network that he created. Accused that she created security. Why Ojiwebo also? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not run. It was the great Ikensi and the rest of the men that saved him. If you are in Afara Ukwu that day, you will know what I am telling you. He did not run. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's life was saved by the great Ikensi place and well-meaning Biafrans in that house. He was smuggled out because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu refused to go, which made Ikensi to punch Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu slip off. Then her package ye buri ya pụọ. That was how they saved Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's life. But this very woman nọ na-agbara unu, ebe ọ ma na aya agbasa, why o ji wee nọdị egbuo mmadụ ihe a? So the Nigerian government that killed people because of civilian, did you see people shooting the Nigerian government that day? No. Then why do you call them military? Did Mazi Nnamdi Kanu tell you military? No. It is not in the video. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu never called them military. BSS is for his group as a freedom fighter. You can organize anything and name it anything to safeguard. And he called them the security to safeguard our own people. Did he call them military? No. So this very woman is now condemning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for organizing a security in his house, but supports the Eastern Security. She claimed to support the Eastern Security Network that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu created. Though those under criminal China Sanworu, there is no Eastern Security Network under them. They are criminals. Anybody that apart from IPOB, one great family. Anybody that register IPOB community and say Eastern Security Network, do you know what piracy is all about? I hope you people understand what piracy is all about. Because this very woman ran away. Just ordinary exposition or also, but Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ka ọ na-ajụ why o ji wee gbapụ ọsọ ebe ebuzi military wee bịa egbu ya. Ọ na-ajụ ya why o ji wee gba ọsọ, mana ordinary exposition a na-ekwu n'ọnụ ya pụtagwa unu under 24 hours ihe niile ewusa, but Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ha na-egbu on the internet burukwa military bịa ka ọ na-ajụ why o ji wee gba ọsọ, mana ya nwana onwe ya gbara ọsọ for 7 days because people are exposing her. I don't know if anybody is understanding me. Undo ya na-ege ntị with this brain. Ịkọ akụkọ ndara with this brain. Let her not use this type of brain to cross main road, please. Your people should communicate to her. Let her not use this type of brain to cross main road. Ojiri this type of brain across our main road, disaster yade. There will be disaster. And she shouldn't cross road with this type of brain. Please and please. Ayi agbapụ ya ọsọ gaga gechanya.
Unu ma mmadụ ole ngworo carelessly n'ihe a Mazi n'ime, and Mazi mana ha ga-anwụ, mana because na enwere ike ịgbagbu ha, mana because ọ chọrọ iprove a point ya papụtasị ụmụ mmadụ. Ka m jụ na unu attack ndị amị bịa n'ụlọ ha ma gbagbuchie mmadụ, ebe ka ụmụnne ke nọ, ụmụnne ya na ụgbọ na-abụ ego, ebe ka ụmụnne nke nọ. Igbo bụ Igbo. Lekwenụ ka anyị na-anọ na ncha mmiri ncha baa anyị anya.
Iya na-akọ eri always. So you don't know that cousins of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu were among the people died in the family, right? So you don't know. Were you not told that the cousins of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, direct cousins, equally died there? Are you not aware? His family members all equally died there. Are you not aware? This woman did not know, not one, not two, of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's immediate family that died in that attack. But the reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu declined to mention his family is because other people's family is equally people. So why must he say, even my family died? So because their family did not, their life did not worth anything. As a leader, you don't mention such. This very woman, go and ask Uchechi, direct family of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, how many died in that attack? Direct family, immediate family, died in that attack. Oh, Akondara. Now, she said, no man haya. O Mazi Nnamdi Kanu butere, uno na hukwana maauko. O Mazi Nnamdi Kanu butere amod the tank. No. Nigerian government, the Nigeria that she is defending now, butere amod the tank. Agwara m unu na ihe ndị abịara ime ewu Biafra of one Nigeria. Now she is defending Nigeria for trying to buy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And she's now telling you, na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ma na ya also. How did he know? Did you know how difficult it was to escape that very day? Not Mazi. Mazi said, I am not going anywhere. They are killing people. Allow them to come. Ikensi Uruagu we pay your uppercut. Mazi sleep. That is where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu got himself. Then Ikensi saluted him and told him, I wouldn't allow you to die. That is the reason why we have to do that sacrifice. Forgive me. That is the cry Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cried when Ikensi died. He called him a holy man. Somebody who used his life, put his life in the front line and saved Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I am Onyebuchi Nwashibrobi, please. Do you see what is happening? Do you people see what is happening? Do you people see what happened? Now she's telling you people, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu mana ha ya anwụ. Imagine how come mmadụ na-akọ that somebody is coming to kill me. He said, na nda ya anwụ. And therefore, what should I do? Na ngazie ga-anwụ ọnwụ. Is that not what she's saying? No, ọ bụrụ na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nwụrụ, will you be talking about IPOB today? Because that was on a plan. Uchechi would have seen a reason. Oji abu ike. Oh yes, oh, because of my husband, till today, and I salute, oh, the great wife of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we wouldn't know, no, everything would have be swept under the carpet. And by today, she will be going to shows, oh, my husband, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, oh, are you the wife of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Salute, your husband was a great person. And oh, your husband died a great death. Not knowing, no, dear. God Almighty kept Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so that we will know the propaganda, the character assassination, and deep plan against Onyendu. It goes very deep. Okwane menne kuya hana na ko jajaja. Ikocha yawu ikulu down. Obo muka na run no propaganda. Ikocha tau imelo down. One thing that we preach on this very platform, we will consistently preach it to you. It doesn't matter how long you call tau. It doesn't matter how long you call yawu. It does not change the fact. It doesn't change anything. Does it change anything? Lies and deceit doesn't change anything anyway. Among anything that you talk, truth will always stand out. Do you know one of the reasons why truth must stand out? Because you can never buy truth with money. But you can buy lies. You can buy deceit. But that truth, you cannot buy it with money. Because truth is expensive. I am Onyebuchi Nwashibrobi, please. One of it very kind. And are you getting this now? N'ime ihe nwaanyị akọrọ ihe ọ na-eblame Mazi Nnamdi Kanu bụ why o ji wee dị ndụ ọnwụhụ. She is not blaming Nigerian government that went to look for somebody. Anagwazi unana salute. Okay, any day you collect salute, that day you will die. Any day you organize a security and collect salute, did Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say, I am now the president of Nigeria? Is paramilitary not allowed in Nigeria? Is paramilitary not allowed? It is his right as a freedom fighter to organize. Is Omoyoro Sowore not collecting salute from his warriors? From his soldiers? The very dark man that you people see called himself the fourth arm of government in Nigeria. Is he not collecting salute from them? Haven't you seen where even very dark man collects salute from his people? Ordinary. So Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's own, he shouldn't collect salute. So wete ka egbuo. Na na-elekwenu m eshishi. Na-elekwenu m eshishi. On these very people. Man, this woman on ya na typewriter like this have to run away due to Guinea na emega ya expose also under 24 hours ihe niile wusa na ihu olu ya agụọ ọkwa onye na condemn Mazi Nnamdi Kanu just nke evukwa abịa dị igbu ya on social media ka aka nọ olu ya agụọ hey na ihe na-akwụ dị too much. Before you condemn people, put yourself in their shoe. I know that her own is ọrụ ọ na hook up ashawo ọrụ ọ na agboro na Lagos ọmụọrụ na onye Yoruba nwa ihe ọ bịaziri na abịa azọrọ n'ala Igbo onye ọ na-akọndem zivu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu mana o kwuru na mgbe ọ gachara visit ya ọsọ na onye a bụ the greatest Igbo man alive. The greatest Igbo man alive from ọnụ ya ka ọsọ unu na ọsọ ebe onye Igbo ya ọ ga-ekwete na ọ gaghị ananwu ego from ọnụ ya anụ ka ọ na-agwa ahụ unu na ihe eji wee ga agbagbu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu bụ maka ọ ya nwa kpọtara ndị niile jụzie ya what a wonderful U-turn ọ pụtara na eme ụmụ ihe ndị a niile ka ọ because ihe iji ara Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ka onye fee ndị DOS already having meeting with Nigerian military and DSS as they said with the governors as they said ka onye fee ha ya aka ka e wee rezie Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because DOS can stand up tomorrow and say we the DOS have proclaimed that all the crimes said Mazi Nnamdi Kanu committed it. We have investigated his criminal activities and it will hold water. Then when the international community speak, they will say, oh yeah, he listened from his group. They equally said it, they probe him. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu understood those things and sacked those ex-members. If you can go, you will see the criminality, all the lies, the things that they told you. Oh, when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu speak against them, they will say, oh, he's speaking to Simon Ekpa, ectoparasite and all of this. Now they are telling you that those things that they said then was lies. Because all the ectoparasite, which is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu called Simon ectoparasite. He called him this, he called him that. All those things, Chinasa Nworu na asono na asio na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu never condemned Simon. But oh Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have distanced himself from Simon Ekpa. Why do they lie? Why do this very woman belong to the lying group? That is something that you need to ask yourself. Now can move here to program butere mono here. Before this very program, the program of Harrison Gwamnishu, the new one omene. Then, for you to understand Ebensi Abia, watch the program, please.
Afambo Harrison Gwamnishu. So this video is going to be with Igbo language, alright? So if you don't understand it, please don't feel offended. Just find somebody that can interpret to you. And I'm not good in speaking Igbo language like very, very well. So those people who I'm talking to will understand me better, alright? Especially people from the Southeast region, Imo State particular, Imo State. Last week, I'm in Imo State, you know, and in that process, with support from military, local vigilante, homeland security, I rescue 3 kidnapped people, victims, here. So, India, Abolofa from their community. This man Abolo for like almost 1 weekend, honor with them. Then, this other man now, from video yesterday online, this other man, Mr. Onyema, is a lecturer at Imo State University. So I want to get Atomka water something. Now, this kidnapping and make it on the buying a I can stand anywhere and say it. All the strangers here in Bodani, they made this thing. Upon you buying a main car. There are evidence that Oblonde buying a mayor. Now this lecturer now he kidnap this man. He kidnap yeah. On with these 3 people, these 3 other people he kidnap yeah, we were together. Man on your abuse away poor because now somehow in the befa we ransom ego there security. When water. So all Mr. Onyema, I have Mr. Onyema, popularly known as Ganja, or physics lecturer, on Akuzi physics practical na Imo State University. So if you want to verify, Gajoya, Sia, ndị akpọrọ gị na ka ị na-agba moto gị ọ ndị ebeghị ọ bụla ndị be anyị ọ ndị ugwu. So this is evidence that na ndị anọgo obodo unu anọgo na these communities now they terrorize. They have been terrorizing since last year. Later I send them from Amako Hubi last year November. They invited me that to assist them at least with a little bit of support and the rest of them. But I got on because of Nsobunwe last year November/December. I got on. Do you understand? So, ndị a abụrụ ndị be anyị na-eme nke a kịta. Agaghị m asị na ndị be ha anaghị eme ihe ọjọọ. Mana ndị a na-eme nke a kịta bụkwa strangers that we need to flush out immediately before they multiply and spread to other communities. Iga na Amaka Yubi Joha Nime on the Bay. Iga na Amako, the same thing. Our community is the same thing. Or Ejimekuru, the same thing. So onye biasiki na nkao wonde ba nime ya ona atuase. They are sponsored to continue on a trend, on a narrative that Nande buy when they make all these things. No. Can again, they buy in some cases Akafada Naya. Manankani make it up. Both na nekedeu Jemekuru, Awa, Amako Yubi, Ireti. Ndine me here Amako, Ndine me here Bolokwan de buy in security. Your forests are surrounded. This is something that is real, is happening.
Okay, in case if you do not understand Harrison Gwamnishu made a video speaking about the terrorists and their identities, telling our people that Nda Batago, Udele warned him that Nondi Bayo, and mind you, Udele doesn't have any tracker. Udele is very useless idiot. Push the narrative. Now Harrison have come out again to reply them. Even Udele and the Ikensi Uruagu. Now Harrison have come out again, beat his hand on his chest to reply them and tell them that these things that are happening, look at this very person, it happened to him. Look at this very person, it happened to him with clear evidence. Go and ask them, those people that kidnapped them. Who are they? He mentioned villages with facts and figures. But they will not give you facts and figures. They will tell you, from which village? Who did they kidnap to confirm? Nonda. Also, very minimal. Na ogakwa sino nke ndi ba ineme, which means it is in a minimal. They are not much. But this kidnapping that is happening, but they were paid to spread falsehood, to allege everything on top of an Igbo man, thereby derailing your attention. You now live from the main people perpetrating it. You claim your land. You claim your land. Islam nishi. That's the only thing that they have come. To claim your land, to claim your territorial integrity. That's the only thing. Islam, that's the only thing. I am Onyebuchinwa Ashibrobi, please. I am Onyebuchinwa Ashibrobi, one of it very kind. And I preach nothing but the undiluted truth. That's the only thing that I have come to preach. And you need to hit the like button and share. You need to hit the like button and share this very program. And let people know that Nwashiburobi have come here to preach nothing but the undiluted truth, and for you to understand that truth lasts and truth is very strong. Are you getting me? Now, Harrison have said this. Now you will listen to Ikensi Uruagu replying to Harrison. Remember, Harrison mentioned names. Harrison mentioned villages. Harrison said, go and verify. Bịa bịa gerezie nke tọrọ bịati nwa mma ogiri nwa nwaanyị ogiri bịa bịa ahụ ihe ọ na-akọtọrị bịa bịa ahụ mgbe ọ na-reply Harrison unu lezie anya okpokoro ofeke. You will know that they are being paid to carry out false narrative that our own people are the main cause, that our own people are the main problem. Come and watch and thank me later, please.
Okay, ndị ba ekene m na afa m bụ Ikensi Uruagu. Achọrọ m iji vidio anụnwa wee na-address this alleged attack by Fulani herdsmen n'Imo State and the Kemelu n'Enugu State.
Did you see the introduction? He wants to use this video to address the alleged. He cannot say that Fulani is kidnapping. This alleged kidnapping. But when it happens that they want to push the narrative of IPOB, they will say IPOB ESN terrorist. He will not say alleged IPOB is ESN terrorist. Remember, he might argue that, oh, it have not been proven in court. Have it been proven in court? Have anyone been proscribed terrorist in the courts? Terrorist. That person in a opposite terrorist. Have you taken that person to court? Do you see their lies and deceit? Do you see their character assassination? This is where I had problem with them. Their character assassination, lies and deceit. These things can no longer hold water. Are you hearing him? Negekweyant.
Onwe disclaimer nchogodi in the first. Emana, a lot of people put a say, Ike ga open the Fulani. What of if the Fulani name? Why nature you weird? Them or like that. And well or anything like that. Anime woku insecurity. Ndobona na cause insecurity. Anime oku basara. But ikwesi inwe focus. Ntu ye follow na man much about if and not. You can as well fill that gap.
Makandinda ne deceive. Did you see the manipulation here? People are telling him, oh, Ikensi Uruagu, you are not talking about Fulani menace. They are not telling him to talk about not. No. You are not talking about the kidnapping like this one now, here, all this Igbo land. You are not talking about it. He said, about it. You can as well fill the gap. Now, Fulani, which is the real terrorist. IPOB, which is unverified terrorist. You cannot go move out of Nigeria and call IPOB a terrorist. Any Biafra organization a terrorist. They will tell you that you are mad. But the people who are seen as terrorists worldwide, who are killing and massacring Christians in Nigeria, he doesn't want to talk about them. Do you know why? The people who call them to tell you that IPOB is a terrorist organization are the Fulani. Those are the people sponsoring them. So instead of the world looking at the Fulani as the main problem, they will be looking at IPOB as the main problem. That is the reason why in the north, terrorists have ravaged everywhere, but the military tanks are in Igbo land, rolling everywhere. And these very people are broadcasting, telling the world, oh, terrorists, oh, terrorists, oh. There is no such thing. They propagate them. They make you to believe that we are the main deal, that we are the main problem to ourselves. That's one thing that they made you to believe. Why this is going on, the main terrorist is ravaging our land. Are you getting it? Hope you are getting what they are telling you. Oh, Ikensi Uruagu, come and save you. He said he will not save you from the Fulani. Oh, Ikensi Uruagu, he will not save you from the Fulani. Anybody following him from his Facebook wall. He will not save you. He said, no, you're na Nigeria now, how good. Simon Ekpa is a Nigerian agent. Simon Ekpa. So, all this why you lied, how can people take the word of this guy? If all this why he lied that somebody is a Nigerian agent, only to tell you now that he is the main agent, that he want the betterment of Nigeria, that he is the main agent of Nigeria in case if you want to disturb Nigeria, but he was everywhere telling you that Simon Ekpa is a Nigerian agent. Are they not liars and deceivers? Why will you take their words? Why will you listen to them? Why will you take them serious? If you take them serious, brother, sister, check your own the normal. Because on a normal note, somebody not the normal wouldn't take these very people serious. Do you know why? They are not worthy to be taken serious. I am Onyebuchi Nwashiburobi. Negekwe ya ntị.
Na-ekwu ife na-eme na north, mụnwa na-ekwu ife na-eme na east. Onye ọzọ na-ekwu nke na-eme na west. That's how to do it. But that's just by the way. Actually, me address this alleged attack by Fulani herdsmen Nimo State, close to Futo, na Gemelo na Enugu State. But to start with, like, where on any doubt, now when they deka Fulani herdsmen bandits in our region, and where any doubt, Obro Makeweha. Oh yes, and secondly, I'm from one of our brother who were maximum respect for Harrison Gwamishu. I'm from ck-Nneakwuna. Some people bo ifobona mel na Igbo land, and some people now talk 18 years in the Biafra agitators. My brother, you will not blame us because 99.9% crime and commit in Igbo land in a funnel from Biafra agitators.
Have you listened to him? These are how they quote nonsense to you. 99.9, where is your fact? Where is your figures? Harrison, the main person, where the tracker, and a gobi, come and track. And they have used very dark idiot to shake this very guy. Because all very dark idiot, Bruiser, Hayabu, to come and say, oh, Harrison is a criminal, he thief money, he did this. But he, very dark man, that is known for thieving, that is known for selling of his pornography, is not a thief. But Harrison becomes a thief. He who introduced a Chinese, he said that he's giving people free Chinese number so that people will buy from China direct, and the number ends up to be his younger sister's phone number. He's not a thief. Now, Harrison is part of the security architecture. He give you this thing, tell you, or you go to so village. He mentioned names. Go and ask them who kidnapped them. But this guy is saying, and Harrison said that anybody pushing the narrative, oh, no, the Biafra agitators, they are paid. Harrison said it verbatim. Now, this Okoko is telling you that, oh, Harrison, don't blame us. Don't blame us because 99.9% of what is happening in the East are from Biafra agitator. But Harrison is telling you it is a lie because he have the percentage. He have participated in tracking them. He is telling you that Fulani. He mentioned names. He mentioned villages with fact and figure. Man, this guy no about the issue. Imagine a boy ya chime video or chime video ya were Bluetooth nkegene ke he have arrived ojikwe Bluetooth a big man. Okuchishiente will not enter. Oh ya nwere oji enwe mental. Oh, legoni ihe kwukosi. Hey, the guy kwukasi kwa ihe. Amam this guy no, amam no hate akosi because he's too backward. Too backward and so backward. Aya na-egekwe ni ntị maka ha mụta ihe ashị anyị mụta ị na-eme ha expose. Ha mụrụ ihe ashị anyị mụ ị na-eme ha expose. Na-egekwe na ashị dị isi okotorigba otoro na-eghere ụnụ nọ ndị be anyị mana the somebody nọ in charge na-asị gị no it is Fulani gị na-asị no ndị be anyị with no fact no figures. Ihe sị bụ o nwere ndị na-eme Biafra like the other day ahụrụ m ya na pastor bishop na-Biafra na o jikwa wee jide egbe. Imagine bishop na-ebuzi na egbe a na-akọkwara ụnụ akụkọ a na-ege ege. I don't want to say ma forge not there. I don't want to talk. Man na-egekwenu this utoro ntị.
Either direct or indirect, Akonye Biafra agitator must be inside. That's just the fact. And if anytime it will alleged Fulani attack and people be don't ask questions like, are you sure no Fulani? Or these people are just lying? It's because of our past experience and because of what we knew. You may not know. Mana, may go see some things, but anytime I no Fulani, people like us will not believe it until I have full evidence. By the way, when they attack the Fulani men Imo State, I contacted my DSS friend, non-Imo State, to know what happened. Oh, I'm saying, no, people say no Fulani, that means alleged. But then we be any arrest, meaning they are still investigating.
Akọba na akụkọ mama Ngozi na ndị ya dị ụlọ na-egekwe ntị nwa ọkwa nwa eburu 9 months ka 4 months ka ha buru ya na-ege na mmadụ ntị. Ihe a bụ ihe a mụrụ emekwe pati tro pati dide a mụrụ ya. Ị na-ege ntị ihe ọ na-ekwu na when he heard that there is Fulani attack in Imo State, he contacted his DSS friend, probably onye Fulani, and then asked him, oh, people say no Fulani. Imagine a DSS is now telling you, people that are supposed to tell you what happened, they are now telling you that people say, na-egen presentation. Agwara m unu na ara ha ya yibago. I niile na izi ya nwabara and I top ya. Na people say no Fulani and there is no evidence. People say no Fulani and there is no evidence. Negekwenu ya ntị yo. And they have not make any arrest. People say no Fulani, no evidence, and they have not make any arrest. Now, this guy will come out and tell you that, oh, na IPOB, na ha nwudere onye a, no, onye Biafra, no, IPOB terrorist. They will not tell you that they are still investigating. They will shoot the person's leg. They will just catch an innocent man going, and they will say, oh, Biafra. The other day, you people heard him trying to cover the terrorist in Anambra State that shoot an innocent woman. Also, no, here. But nke ndị be ka ya agbabu shoot at sight. Man nke Fulani will be people say, oh, ya na-egekwe ntị. Agwara m unu by the time unu gechara this Fulani agent, ọ bụrụ na ọ ya nwa bụ your role model, a ya egbu gị, Fulani ya egbu gị. Ma ọ bụrụ na onye a bụ your role model, because you will be hailing people kidnapping you. You are hailing people killing you, because if you are still supporting them, Fulani will unalive you. The best way, the best form of defense is attack. The best form of running, the best form of stopping the attack is by running away from these very people. Because if you keep on supporting them, Fulani will buy you. Are you getting me? It's not a rocket science. I'm just telling you what is obtainable.
And because they are still investigating, you don't expect me to come out to talk about it. So I give them that respect, and I have to be professional in what I do. So if I'm able, since year non the Fulani Meleha, Nimo State, I watch him getting. Because anything may not be absolutely thought. I have to remain professional in what I do. Man, and when some questions I know because of past events, because of information available to us. And my very good brother who is doing exceptional, Harrison Guamajo, I respect him. I respect his hustle. He's doing excellent job. He's doing a lot of job. Even for some people, there's no problem with him. He pains me. Oh, with them of my because or somebody like a young man like myself in Abambo. Kodele Nigerian man.
Harrison Babakwa, when you are being praised by devil, gị na ọsọ na-eme na-agba na nke ikpeteme azụ a ọkpa gị na-akọtọkwa n'isi gị, because this is wolves in sheep clothing. Now, unu anụgonu nwa Ikensi Uruagu is now na-agba mbọ ka ọ dịrị Nigeria na mma. Simon Ekpa is no longer a Nigerian agent. Simon Ekpa abụzi Hope Uzodimma gobiri ya in order to interrupt them. Ịma asị na-eme expire. Nke ahụ eme na expire. Simon Ekpa is a Nigerian agent. Hey, Mazi Simon Ekpa was bought by Hope Uzodimma in order to interrupt this and that. Nke eme na expire. Ya nwa na onwe ebuzi Nigerian agent. Na thank you. Mgbe onye ji wee teta ụra ya ghọrọ ụtụtụ ya. At least agụụ gburu nne gị cannot kill you. Whatever that tie my mama will not tie me. Ijiri na ụmụ m gị na-edeceive wee mee escape poverty. Ọ na-eme ọchị ime kamera ya yiri ya je yiri onwebe mgbe ị ya ahụ ya ome apịa na kamera o je ya yiri jaketi. O yiri jaketi ya ma afụ ọnụ ya. So no my people, this and that, raba chan 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 kwuo. That's the thing. Ọ chọghị ime kamera ya bịa jike nke a na-abụzi iti ikwe Bluetooth. O jizikwe Bluetooth ado ebig. Ebig ọ chọghị ime kamera. Jụọ ya si ya Bluetooth ọkwụ na ntị ka ihe o ji eme. Ọkwa ọ bịara onye akwụkwọ isi ya. Hai ka ya oluko ihe a. Onye a na-abụ onye ọhịta maka Chineke. Eze ọhịta nke ebukwa ime ọhịta ebe esi wee tụpụta onye a. You can imagine the oluku. Na-egekweni ya ntị. Maka ọ bụrụ na nsị ka ahapụ ige ya ntị na ya sị na ya orubego ebe ya oye make point. O nwego point ị hụrụ o mekiri na ihe niile a. Ọ sị ya 99.9% bụ ndị Biafra agitator. Where is statistic? Where is evidence? Harrison na-eme ọkpọrọ gị ya sị gị ga ajụ onye a. Kedu ndị anyị ajụ na nke ụnụ? Ihe unu na-eme bụ nga vidiyo anyị haụsụ ndị amị gbara ọkụ. Nso ndị Biafra agitators ndị oshi ha adọkọrọ n'ụlọ ihe a. Ndị amị gbara ya ọkụ is not a crime. Mana onye ọbụla reziri akpakara abụ crime. Ị hụrụ na isi adịghị ụnụ mma. Army ịgba innocent people's house on fire is not a crime to you people. Nọ ndị rere akpakara nke a bụ ilu ndị Igbo na-atọ na onye ụlọ ya na-agba ọkụ na-achụ oke. Unu go na-agba ọkụ ị na-achụ oke isi ọ dịkwa gị mma. Ya bụ oke bi n'ime ụlọ a ka ya ọ chụọ enwude. Mana ebe ụlọ na-apụ ọkụ ndara. Biko na-egene ha ntị. Maka ọ bụrụ na nsị ka a hapụ ige ntị. Ọ ya asịkwa na ya ọ chọrọ imeki point. Ndị na-anya ya emeki point. Geni ya ntị ka o meki chọọ kọchara ụnụ. Then mpenyụọ ka ọkụ.
Onye nwakpata nji wee nwee respect n'ebe ọnụ. But always some certain thing I believe Harrison don't know about these agitators. They are very, very deceitful in nature. And how they operate, it may be difficult for you to know. Because of loving whenever their leader, Nnamdi Kanu. And nobody will foul you. Nobody will penalize you for liking anybody you choose to like. Yes, Nnamdi Kanu born criminal. Nnamdi Kanu disaster. Nnamdi Kanu convicted terrorist. But to me, they like it.
Are you listening to Amuibi? Hope you are listening to Amuibi. I am Onyebuchi Nwashibrobi, please. Amam no nega Amuibi ntị. Now, this guy, Mazi Simon, a Nigerian agent, he wants to buy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Oh, we are stopping it. You people do not know my sacrifice. I am sacrificing to make sure that Mazi Simon, this thing do not come to pass. Ozzy and Agwagana Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, a born criminal, a convicted criminal. Ni Jesse brother, give us evidence of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's criminality. You gaghị any evidence. This is the same person telling you Nigeria go Biena Simon. Oh, why buputere 2.something million. Go be Simon. In order to buy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and to support Nigeria. Oh, why ever here. Osigi, no man on a chosen protect a born criminal, a convicted criminal. Under which law? Are you aware that even in Nigeria, that law is not existing? The law that they tried Mazi Nnamdi Kanu under non-existing law. Araju Judge, show me the law. Yes, so don't worry. Already the day of conviction, know the quote from Judge. Na ihe yo convict Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no onwego onye ji we tunga. From law, ascrap go out, which means that law have become non and void. Yes, mba no onwego onye gara nga before. No ya ka yo ji were ya na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nga. Kedizi about the in written law. Yes, show me written law. No written law. For people. Right from time, I'm na ihe ji Biafra agitation where Biafra may escape the poverty. At least Ogiri Shiburu Negi cannot kill you. Ogiri Shiburu Negi cannot kill you. So I'm right from time, na ihe Biafra may escape of poverty. Like that, a lot of them came to escape poverty in this very struggle. But we will keep on exposing them. Atọpụ nkụta akọrọ egoshi ya ka ọ hapụ ịdị ka emere ya gịnị atụrụ ya arụ. The reason why we preach this we preach like this is for people to know that this very agitation is sacrosanct, and for people to know that we must keep on propagating the total restoration of Biafra without fear nor favor against our enemies. We must keep on. It is a must to keep on propagating this very total restoration of Biafra. A must. And we must let our enemies know the truth. Are you hearing? Hope you are hearing from them. Hope you are hearing the idiots. No problem. No problem. So he is now telling somebody in the field that, oh, he doesn't know that the way all these Biafra agitators work, you cannot dictate them. Harrison Goshirigi Asusundi Fulani, Gwagin for many people, they cannot dictate. Only a Fulani man dictated it and said all language. Huh? Harrison Gwaragi, go and ask these very people if these very people are Igbos with their mark and having the Fulani. But he is now telling somebody not in active service. Oh no, ma horu ya ofuma. No ya wanozi n'ụlọ ya. Achonyo ya boro tele. Moru ya. Mma bịa na ihe a na ihe eyie na akụkọ ndara ka ịkwụsị na ebe a. Mbọsị nta ya abịa achụ na Owere nchi. Na-eteki kwen record. Na nke ikpete mazụ a. From me, from here, from the temple of the grace here, keep on sharing this very program. And I would want all of you to know that Mazi Simon Ekpa's court case is coming up, and protest for Mazi Simon Ekpa in Finland, August 4th and August 5th. So make out time to be in Finland to protest for the good guy to be released. Thank you.